This is the new thing I did to make it more natural. I've got my cameras up here to record my birds. See, there's a chickadee up there. But I put branches between my poles, my bird feeder poles. There's a bird down there. Tufted titmouse, I think. So I've got my cameras up, and you see the up there. So now it's like they have the trees here. They have tree branches, and they're able to jump around from branch to branch and easily get to the feeder they want. The birds are having a blast, and I have had more birds since I put these branches and attached these branches all over the place.